Role-playing scenario. Event management for a Mehndi event to improve English fluency. Let's explore some phrases, phrasal verbs, and idioms used in these contexts with correct sentence structures. Phrasal verbs are set up, go over, turn out, run through, deck out, string up, whip up, follow up, coming along, take into account, and pencil in. Idioms. On the same page, on cloud nine, go the extra mile, in full swing, goes off without a hitch, and burn the midnight oil.
Hi, Sarah. How are you doing today?
Hi, Alex. I'm on cloud nine. I'm really excited about the Mehndi event. I hope everything is on track.
Absolutely. We have everything under control. I wanted to go over a few details to ensure we're all on the same page. Raj, can you update us on the decorations?
Sure, Alex. We're planning to deck out the venue with traditional decor. We'll set up a beautiful backdrop for the Mehndi ceremony and string up fairy lights all around.
That sounds lovely. Just make sure the colors match the theme.
Got it. We'll stick to the gold and maroon theme. Is there anything else you'd like us to add?
No, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. Emily, how are we doing with the catering?
Everything is coming along nicely. We've whipped up a menu that includes a variety of traditional and modern dishes. I'll follow up with the chef to make sure everything is top-notch.
That sounds delicious. Just ensure there are enough vegetarian options.
Absolutely. We've got that covered. We've been burning the midnight oil to make sure every detail is perfect.
Excellent. Sarah, we also need to discuss the timeline. When would you like the Mehndi artist to start?
I think it would be best to start the Mehndi application around 4 p.m. so that we have enough time before dinner.
That works. I'll pencil it in. Anything else we should take into account?
Just make sure there's some soothing music playing in the background. It will keep everyone in good spirits.
Leave it to us. We'll ensure the event goes off without a hitch. Raj, let's run through the setup one more time to make sure everything is perfect.
Sure thing. We want everything to turn out just right. We'll go the extra mile to ensure the decorations are in full swing before the guests arrive.
Thank you all so much. I know we're cutting it close, but I appreciate all the hard work. This means the world to me.
No worries, Sarah. We're committed to making this event unforgettable.